Welcome to TradeLele Lab. Before we begin, this video is for education purposes only. Nothing here is a buy or sell recommendation or investment advice of any kind. Markets carry risk, always do your own research and consult a registered advisor before investing. Today I will walk you through our stock screener, end to end, clicking every feature so you can follow along. First, timeframes. At the top you choose the candle size the whole screen works on. 1 minute to 1 hour are intraday timeframes. These fetch live candles and work on F&O stocks. Daily, weekly and monthly use stored history for the full universe of around 500 stocks. Watch, I will switch to weekly, then monthly, and you can see every column, price change, ATR, RSI, trend, recompute for that time frame. For swing trading, daily and weekly are what you will use most. Next, the F&O-only checkbox. Ticking it keeps only stocks that trade in the futures and options segment, the most liquid names on the exchange. Watch the list shrink from the full universe to around 200 F&O stocks. On intraday timeframes this is automatic, live candles are fetched for F&O names only. Now presets, ready-made screens so you do not start from a blank page. Open the preset menu and you get momentum screens, trend screens, value screens inspired by legendary investors, and more. I will apply a few. Notice each one fills the condition builder below, so a preset is not a black box. You can see exactly which rules it applies and edit any of them. That is the whole idea of this screener, no code, full transparency. Let us create our own strategy from scratch. I will use Smart Search, type the rules in plain English. RSI above 60, ADX over 25, near the 52-week high, on the daily time frame. Search and it converts my sentence into real conditions in the builder and runs the screen. These are the stocks passing all rules right now. You can add, edit, or delete any condition and save it as your own named screen with alerts. But do these rules actually work? That is what the backtest answers. I will set a target of 5% within 90 days and click backtest results. It replays this exact screen over roughly 4 years of history. The tiles show the hit rate, how often a matched stock reached plus 5%, and the table shows every single match with the date it fired, whether the target was hit, and exactly how many days it took. Sort the days column and you see the fastest and slowest winners. No guessing, real numbers from real history. Here is my favorite part, the matches over time graph, stacked by sector. Every bar is a month. Click any bar and the table below filters to that month's stocks. So you can check how the screen behaved in a strong month or a weak one, and in which sectors the signals came. From any result, click the stock symbol and a full chart opens, daily, weekly and monthly tabs, with candles and indicators. You verify the setup visually without leaving the screener. Let me flip through the timeframes and close. Delivery percentage, a filter most screeners do not have. Delivery percent is the share of traded quantity actually taken home to demat from the NSE end of day report. High delivery means real accumulation, not just intraday churn. Set delivery above 40% and the list keeps only stocks where conviction money participated. One honest note, NSE publishes this after 6:30 in the evening, so during market hours you are seeing the last published day. Finally, how the list separates F&O stocks from normal cash stocks. Look at the F&O column. A green tick with a number means the stock has futures and options, and the number is its lot size, useful if you trade its options. A dash means it is a cash market stock only. So in one list you always know which names are derivative ready and which are delivery only. That is the complete screener, timeframes, F&O filtering, presets, your own no-code strategies, honest backtesting, sector graphs, charts, and delivery percent. If this was useful, please subscribe to the TradeLele Lab channel. We post daily updated stock screens every single market day. Remember, education only, not a recommendation. See you in the next one.